Hello guys, a very good morning and welcome back to my channel. My name is Prasanna and I upload a lot of bike travel vlog videos. So if you're new to my channel, do check out all my other videos. As you have seen in the thumbnail and the title, today is the vaccine day for me. So I'm going to get vaccinated for COVID-19 today. I'm going to give you all the insights about the vaccine, whether you should put Covaxin or Covishield, which one is better, what are the side effects, how we can prevent all these things. So all these details I'll tell it to you. But right now the time is 8 o'clock and I've got my vaccine appointment at 9 o'clock. So I'll continue with the bike. See.
So guys, yeah, I know that was a very quick intro, but unfortunately I'm getting a little bit delayed. Actually, I'm going a little far, about 30 kilometers from my home to get my vaccination done. Time is right now 8:27 and my appointment is at 9 o'clock. Half an hour we have. I must be reaching by 9 probably because there's not much traffic in the roads. Mainly I got delayed because I had to have my breakfast. So the first point for getting vaccinated, you have to have your breakfast before getting vaccinated, guys. I feel there are a lot of questions amongst all of us whether Covaxin is better or Covishield is better or any vaccine itself is better in the first place. Should I get my vaccination done now or in the future? But what I will suggest is, as far as the knowledge that I've got from my friends, I have a couple of doctor friends as well. For the current situation, see, as you all know, I am from Chennai. So currently the situation in Chennai is quite alarming, guys. The number of cases that's testing positive and the number of deaths that's happening and the shortage of beds. My suggestion would be that getting vaccinated as soon as possible will be the best thing for us to do right now. I'm not saying that because you put vaccination you're not going to get COVID. Definitely not. The thing is, it will not be fatal. The intensity of the virus will be reduced drastically. So you'll be able to, get cured very easily. So that's one of the major advantages of having a vaccine right now. Some people say that this vaccine has been developed very quick and will have a lot of side effects and it's not safe to get vaccinated. See guys, it's not like that. People all over India are getting vaccinated and there are various medical institutes that has done detailed research about these vaccines. It should be okay. And this COVID-19 is like an invisible demon, guys. You don't know where it will come from, you don't know when it will come, you don't know how far it will affect your body, and you don't know whether it will get cured or not. So in such a situation, I feel that taking as much precautionary measures as possible will be the only thing that we can do right now. See, because when we had the COVID first wave, the only precaution that we could take is quarantine ourselves at home, wearing masks, using sanitizer. Even now those are precautionary measures, I will not deny, but we have another added precautionary measure, which is getting vaccinated. That can definitely help us. We have been going through this COVID-19 for almost more than a year now. So the first wave we have faced, the second wave we have faced. So I'm just going to share my experience, my view about this COVID and the first wave and the second wave and what we can do to get out of this. And yeah, I'm going to get the Covishield done. Why? Is it safer? No, definitely not. Only because that is the only thing that is available right now. Vaccine is getting into a shortage. So whatever vaccine you get, be it Covaxin or Covishield, go and get it done, guys. What a beautiful sight. Amazing scenery. I've almost reached my vaccination point. The map shows 2 kilometers. Actually, this was arranged by one of my friend in the Chennai Retro Riders riding group. He took the effort to fix an appointment for us because it's not very easy to get appointment for 18 to 45 years for vaccination in Chennai currently. Somehow he has managed to fix an appointment for a few of us from the riding group. So thanks to him for that. So it's a government camp only. I'm not getting it done in a private hospital, because even for my mom I did Covishield and that too in government only. They did a pretty neat job. All the online registration was taken care by them. That's a good job, I should say, definitely. Guys, I have reached the point. This is the point where we are doing the vaccination. So guys, finally my vaccination is done with my first dose of Covishield, and I'm returning back home. So I just wanted to talk a few things about what we have been going through, the first wave and the second wave. It's been almost, more than 1 year that we've been dealing with COVID-19. We know the first lockdown was there. Right now we are going through the second lockdown. I'm in Chennai currently. For people who are affected with COVID and are recovering, my prayers are with you guys. You will definitely come back stronger than ever. For people who have lost your loved ones due to COVID, I am sorry. For those people, if you have not been affected with COVID-19, be thankful and take all the precautionary measures that are required. See guys, I know, everybody, I've been feeling the same way. Everybody are having some mental distress right now because of the negativity that's happening around. Last lockdown that was going, I was very depressed, guys. I was kind of upset. But for what all has been happening for the past 1 year, I feel that I'm in fact lucky enough because I'm still healthy. All of us in my family are healthy. I'm really thankful and grateful for that. If we have a place to stay and food to eat on a daily basis, I think we are living a luxurious life right now, because such is the situation. We all would have been running all these years for work, for our business, and to set our career properly, earn more money, save more money, invest more money. All that is fine. You can still do that sitting at home. A lot of people are doing that. You have a job, you have monthly income, well and good. You're seriously gifted. Be thankful. Try to help others as much as possible. Educate people about vaccine. If you have not got vaccinated yet, do as soon as possible. All the other people who help us on a daily basis, like our maids, our milkmans, the postmans, whomever we talk to, educate them about the vaccination. If they do not know how to get it done, help them for that, and make sure they get vaccinated as well. Also guys, take this lockdown as a time to spend with your family, understand each other better. So I feel that is one of the best ways that we can utilize this lockdown. Staying home is safe. This too shall pass, guys. We will definitely overcome this, and whole of India will bounce back stronger than ever. So I just shared whatever I felt I wanted to share. If it was anything wrong, I'm sorry about it. If I've given any wrong information, please let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely want to correct it. That's it for this video. I might expect some temperature tonight. I've been given some paracetamol to take in case of fever. People have been developing some body pain as well. That's because the antibodies have been building up in you. That's why you get body pain. And also guys, for those who have not got vaccinated yet, in the near future, other countries will start allowing people from India only if they are vaccinated. So if you have plans of traveling abroad, do get vaccinated as soon as possible. Because it takes a minimum of 3 months for the antibodies to be built up in you. Earlier the better. Get started on your vaccine procedure, guys. It's just a small request from my side, because very few people, our Indian population is huge, and we have been losing a lot of lives lately, and the news that I see around is really disheartening. So even if one person gets vaccinated seeing this video, I'll be very damn happy about it. So that's the purpose I wanted to share with you guys. If you have any other questions that you want to ask, let me know in the comment section. As I told you guys, I've been doing some rides between the first wave and the second wave, before the second wave lockdown. So I'll be uploading them one by one, and soon we'll be back on roads. My beast is also missing the roads, doing very short rides. I have been also missing it so much. Let me catch you soon. Let's ride together. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and share with your friends. That's it for today's video, guys. Until next video, see you. Take care. Bye bye.